Have you asked yourself what the cable tray is? What are the different types of the cable tray? How to decide the cable tray size to carry the different cables in this tray? How to install the cable tray in the site? All the answers of these questions you will know in this lecture, so please watch it. A cable tray system is used to support insulated electrical cables, which are used for power distribution, control, and communication. We have several types of the cable trays, either to be perforated type cable tray or solid bottom cable tray, which is called also cable trunk, or to be ladder type or wire mesh cable tray. The difference between them depends on the type of cables which are carried on the cable tray. So we'll choose only one type to talk about it, which is perforated type cable tray. The perforated type cable tray is called perforated because it's a ventilated tray from its bottom and both sides. This perforation allows air circulation for the cables, also allows some dust or water leakage above the tray to fall down and not to stay in the tray. The perforated cable trays mainly used with low voltage cables. This is to carry these cables from the source till the load. For example, these cables are installed from a transformer to NDB, or from NDB to SMDB, or from SMDB to a DB, and so on. We have different methods to install these trays, either suspended in the concrete slab or wall mounted or floor mounted. The method of the installation depends on the coordination with other trays in the project and the location of both source and load.